The same people that are shouting, I no agree, hardship, Tinubu. Now the same people collected money to vote for Tinubu. God is punishing Nigeria. The same people will collect money, vote for Tinubu. The same people will collect money, go and destroy ballot box. Where is the INEC chairman? God brought Peter Obi in this Nigeria, but majority of you people rejected Peter Obi because Peter Obi is an Igbo man. Tribalism. Peter Obi is the one that's supposed to be in that seat, but because of tribalism, when I rejected Peter Obi, pushed Peter Obi aside. I was there during that time. Some people, some Yorubas was persecuting Igbo, maltreating them during the time they are voting. Say that this Lagos is Tinubu. If you want to vote for Peter Obi, go to Anambra and go and vote for Peter Obi. We are the cause of our problem. They will give you money, vote for them. Why are you collecting that money? We are the cause of our problem. Tribalism. All these protests, what they do now? If this protest finish now, after election now, presidential election, you will see that the same people that are saying Tinubu must go, we no agree, we no agree, hungry they kill also. That the same people will start practicing tribalism. They will not vote for the right person. They will vote for their own because now them be born to rule. Other tribes are born to serve.